So we're going to cook some potatoes on the grill. First thing I always do is wash up the potatoes real good, and then go ahead and poke them and wrap them in foil. Now they're all ready for the grill.
So just drop the potatoes right down in the fire and let them cook. So here are the cooked potatoes.
Let them cool. So what I did is I peeled all of the potatoes out of the foil after it sat on the fire for about maybe 30 minutes in the coals. Maybe 20 minutes, some of them. The smaller potatoes, the larger potatoes I left in there. Maybe 30 minutes. So we'll go ahead and let these cool and then put them in the refrigerator and cook them up in the morning.